Hello all, the month ahead is marked with very important events in our calendar, starting with the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan to International Literacy Day, World Suicide Prevention Day and Engineers Day. To celebrate this special month, I am going to release each night over the next 30 days a video based on artificial intelligence over the concept of AI for all. And wait, at the end of each video there would be a question for all of you, and I want all of you to answer it right in the comments below, because there's a surprise for you. What is that? At the end of every 2 weeks, the learners with the most correct answers, the top 5 learners with the most correct answers, are going to have a direct interaction based on the idea of AI for all, where we will discuss about where AI is shaping our future, how AI is playing a crucial role, and you could also get a chance to clear all your doubts and myths. Right? But that's not it. I have one more task for you. If you are able to make the subscriber count reach to 100 by the end of the next 10 days, by the end of September 10th, then there's one more surprise waiting for all of you. So what are you waiting for? Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so, and share it with the friends who are into data science or data science enthusiasts. See you in the next lecture. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.